Come test drive the 2020 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, LED headlights, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control. Come see the car for yourself.